Hey friends, if you wish to change the new tab page to a blank page in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So even in general, the new tab page is a blank page. All it takes you is to the normal Bing options. You can use it as normal. Now, if you want to know if there's an option to keep it absolutely blank, the answer is no. There is no such option. But if you really want to do it, you can use an extension. So the extension would be blank page and hit enter, and blank new tab. You can click on this one. The many such extensions, click on get and add an extension. We will wait and then turn it on, and then go here and make sure that the new one is blank. Now keep on opening blank new tabs, and it will open a blank page. So it can only be done through an extension. There's no such option in the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.